social benefits for citizens. Drones play a vital role in cutting response times during emergencies. In several 5G for Life pilot scenarios, drones reach incidents up to 10 minutes faster than ground teams, which is crucial in water rescues where every second matters. The real-time video feed from drones also gives responders immediate situational awareness, allowing them to act quickly and accurately. Beyond speed, drone patrols provide monitoring in areas that are hard to access or poorly lit, such as remote lake zones or beaches after sunset. This consistent aerial presence increases coverage and strengthens overall public safety. This project is not about replacing human responders, it's about enhancing their capabilities. Drones act as an extra set of eyes, feeding situational data to lifeguards and police in real time. This reduces the physical and mental load of constant monitoring. With drones handling routine scanning, responders are freed up to focus on high-priority intervention. Less fatigue and better focus mean better decision-making, especially in situations like water rescue or large-scale events. For people to feel comfortable with new technology like drones, it's important they understand how it works and why it's being used. Community workshops help explain drone safety and show how the system helps protect citizens. These planned sessions aim to build understanding and reduce concerns. There are also plans for public dashboards, so people can easily see how and where drones are being used. This kind of openness helps increase public trust. When people know that drones are there to improve safety and that the system is transparent, they are more likely to support and accept it.